Hi, this is Ryan from My Web Design Source, and I wanted to go over a very important aspect of building a website, which is actually being able to manage it. So the concept is once we build your website, we'll be handing it over to you, and you'll be able to manage it, manage the content, the images, the links. So pretty much really all the content in your site should be manageable. Now this is a very important aspect because many websites in the past has not been like this. It's called content management systems. So many of our clients today come to us and says, I can't get hold of my web designer. I need to update my picture gallery and I can't because, well, I can, but I have to wait a long time for my web designer to do it. So the new way of doing it actually is being able to manage it yourself. So let me show you how this is done. As an example, we're going to be using WordPress. So in WordPress, you'll see this dashboard here once you log into the back end of your website, and you can do this with an internet connection. And it's just like basically editing like a Word document. So the important thing to look for is pages. Now the pages are basically your menus of your website. So for example, you'll have home, usually it's about us, or resources, services, portfolios, and even contact us. This is where you'll find it. So for example, if you go to about us, and this is an example from my own website, which is built in WordPress, you'll see that there's a visual and also an HTML button here. So it'll be useful if you have some codes, for example, in YouTube or some other coding, you'll be able to use an HTML, or if you just want it to be a visual, and most of my clients use this visual one, you'll have the WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get. And so you can go ahead and type in any of your words there and contents. You can have bold, you can choose the different types of fonts, and even change colors and alignment. So that's how you do it. Now, if you wanted to, for example, insert an image, if I wanted to insert an image down here below, I would just click on basically a place where I put the image and upload an image here in this button here and add an image. You can go ahead and choose a file as you would attach anything in a Word document or even an email, and then you would insert it. Once you inserted it, you can actually also edit the image in terms of its length or width, well actually height and width, so you can do it from there. Now the other important aspect is on WordPress, it's usually used for blogs, but it is used for any website nowadays, is the post. Now if you put in the post, that means, for example, you'll have a blog area and you wanted to update your news, and the post allows you to insert basically articles, and it will be stored by like a library through time. And then same thing, you'll be able to add your news and you can update it, and you can pick which part of, like, say, a category in a blog you'll want it. An important aspect here is the tags. Now if you put in the tags here, it'll be really good for search engines to for example, find some keywords there, especially if you're selling a product or a service, a local service. Then you can put in, as I put mine as a Torrance web designer or Redondo Beach web designer. So you put that in the tags, and that is a powerful way of the search engines to get to your website. And WordPress is really great with these tags or meta tags, so that the search engine will crawl your website. Another thing here is the smart blocks. When we build a website, we'll basically build these blocks where you can edit things around, and you can find that here on the left hand side as well. So if I wanted, for example, to edit the footer on the left hand side, you can manage that as well here. It's the same thing as a WYSIWYG editor. And so those are, kind of really, even the headers, you can edit those if you need to.